I invite you with kindness to come to a very special workshop that I'm facilitating. It's called simply A Place for Men because that's what it is. It's a place of men, for men, a place of kindness, mutual respect, support and listening. And more than that, it's a place where you can bring your challenges and start the movement to their resolution. My name's James Pereira. I'm a certified coach and systemic constellation facilitator, and I'll be holding the space for the day, and I'd love to see you there. The beautiful men at previous workshops have attended to many issues: grief, violence, fathers, mothers, separation, self-realization, work challenges, sexual desire, aging, to name a few. And you can bring whatever is important to you. So please come and spread the word to others. I guarantee you a day of support, a day of safety, and a day of strengthening. Details are below. I'd really love to see you there.